Vitamin E and health is today's topic. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble nutrient required by our bodies. In the body, vitamin E acts as an antioxidant helping protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are substances formed when our bodies convert food into energy. Unfortunately, people are also exposed to free radicals in the environment from air pollution, passive smoking, and ultraviolet light from the sunlight. Free radicals are fast-moving substances with one electron unpaired in each of their molecules. They are highly active and prone to attack and withdraw electrons from healthy cells and tissues to make themselves stable, but leave the attacked cells and tissues damaged, which may cause inflammation and various diseases over the time. Vitamin E is an efficient antioxidant to capture and quench free radicals formed in our bodies, preventing free radical oxidation and keeping us healthy. Our bodies also need vitamin E to boost our immune system so that we can fight off invading viruses and bacteria.